In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to register for Metawhale and activate your Metawhale account. So the first thing you have to do is to go to Play Store or Apple Store and download Token Pocket. This is right here, blue color. So once you download and install it, the next step is to create a new wallet. All right, so once you create a new wallet, you will be given 12 words. So make sure you save the 12 words. And while creating the wallet, select Polygon blockchain. So select Polygon blockchain, create the wallet, and make sure you save your 12 words. Very important. Those 12 words are your key to your wallet. So once that is done, the next step is to make sure you fund your wallet with Polygon. All right, so you can fund your wallet with $20, $50, $1,000, $10,000, $50,000, depending on your financial capacity. So once your Polygon wallet is funded, the next thing is for you to get the Metawhale link. All right, so you click here, you click discover. All right, then once you click on discover, you click the search bar at the top here and you paste the Metawhale link. So you can get that from anyone that introduced Metawhale to you. So you click on the link. All right, after pasting the link, right, then you click on continue. All right, so the next thing you have to do is to click on continue operation. All right, so you click on continue operation, and as you can see, this is my Metawhale ID. Okay, so I'll be your upline if you're gonna be using my link. And as you can see, I've registered since 2022. Okay, 3rd of December 2022, and I've made thousands of dollars, with Metawhale. Okay, not just me, my team members, a lot of people have been making money with Metawhale. All right, so next thing you have to do to register is to make sure you agree to the terms. You check these boxes, these two boxes, 1, 2. All right, so you checked and you click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, the next thing you have to do is to click on wallet connect. Take note, wallet connect. So once you click on wallet connect, it will load, okay, and ask you to confirm. All right, so you click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, all right, so it will take you to the next page. So as you can see, welcome to Metawhale space. You have been successfully registered. Please sign in via connect wallet. So you click on continue. All right, so you sign, request signature, click on confirm to sign. So one thing about Metawhale is that it is a global crowdfunding platform which has been in existence for a very long time. You can see the date, so more than 3 years now. Okay, so and you are done with the registration. The next step is activation. So you are going to see services, okay, TNS, which means tactile and strategy, and we have WDEX, which means Whale Dex. They have their own decentralized exchange. So I'm going to click on TX. All right, that's the next thing you have to do. So, and you need to start activating your Metawhale's level so that you can start making money on each of these levels. All right, so for you to activate this level, you actually need CEX, all right, which is the Metawhale token. All right, the Metawhale coin. So you can convert your Polygon to what? To sex. All right, in order to activate. So if I click on activate now, let's see what it's going to show us. Activate. So you must make sure you check this box. All right, so I'm going to click on activate. So it says 13.26. That's what we need, and we don't have any sex coin to activate. So I'm going to show you how to get the sex. All right, so for us to get sex, all we just have to do is to go to Metawhale DEX. So click on this 4 cubes at the right top corner. So once you click on it, all right, the next thing you are going to do is to click on services. All right, so once you click on services, you're going to see WDEX. So you click on the WDEX. So you'll be able to convert some of your Polygon to CEX to activate. So you click on the USDT, all right, then you click on CEX, right? So you convert your CEX to your Polygon to CEX. So let's say we want to convert 20 Polygon, like we need 13.2 for the first level. So you click this arrow to swap. So CEX will be at the top. You type 13.2. So you know that you need $10.09. All right, $10.09 for the level 1. All right, $10.09 for the level 1. So once you do that, you click this arrow back again. All right, so Polygon will be at the top, CEX will be below. Then you now click on approve. So once you click on approve, the next thing is to click on swap. So once you click on swap, automatically you swap your Polygon to CEX, which you can now use to activate your levels. Then you click here to go back. You click continue operation. Then you click on activate. You click on this and click on activate. So I'm just using this as an example. All right, so I'm yet to fund this wallet with enough Polygon, which I'm going to do let's say by tomorrow. So I just decided to make this video to show you guys how it's done. So I believe you found this video helpful. If so, please make sure you like, comment and share, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Until next time, peace out.